Hello guys, so today we're going to do a Nykaa haul. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Nykaa haul. I'll show you what I got. Everything is related to skincare and some makeups. And I also got few body essentials. So let's begin. I ordered few stuff from the Nykaa app online, and I also got few stuffs from the stores in the malls. For example, this is a skincare kit from the brand Pharmacy. I got it from the Nykaa store from the Viviana Mall. I'll show you. This is a combo kit. Here's what it consists. There's a toner. Then this is the night cream. This is the cleansing balm, and this is the moisturizer. This is very good for skin and it is very natural. I'll put down the prices on the screen. So this is a moisturizer. I've been using it for a few days just to see how it is, and it feels really very good. I'll just quickly show all the things that I got. I won't go very much in depth because then it gets boring, yeah. Then this is the parcel. I had ordered some pads from Nua. This has 12 pads and it came with a combo of pouch. That's why I had ordered. Just because I wanted this pouch, so I ordered this. I've ordered more pads from Nua. I just ordered this because of the pouch. All the sizes are there. This is a small, medium and large. This is for heavy flow and all that. You can use it. They have given instructions as well. Light flow, medium flow, heavy flow. And this is the powder. It's so cute. It is spacious as well. Then this is I got this combo of Cetaphil Brightening Healthy Radiance Cleanser, and this is really very good. Once you use it, like you wash your face with this, it instantly gives that glow on your face. So it is really very good. Then you open this. I don't know what is that. I have opened few of my parcels. Few I did not open. This is not open yet. So I got this Shea body butter. It is a lotion. I had received this parcel before and I had opened it. It is open. So I actually ordered this last time from Blinkit. I had ordered a small pack of this Wow Shea body butter, and it was so soothing. So I ordered one more. And then I ordered one more. It is so nice. I just put it. It moisturizes your body up to 48 hours and it smells so good. Next is this is the Mom's Co under eye cream for dark circles. I've not been sleeping. So I ordered. I'll just open it. I've not opened some of my parcels yet. My family members are so fed up of me and my parcels. This is the applicator. You just have to rub this under your eyes every night before you sleep. We'll open this. I don't know what is this. This is the lip pencil I had ordered. It is from Swiss Beauty. I like this shade, so I had ordered it. I'll just apply. Can you see? I just applied that. It's so good. And this is the shade. I mixed this. This is my favorite lip shade from Maybelline, and the shade is 657 Nude Nuance. It is so good, so good. This is my third or fourth lipstick. It is almost over. You'll see it. I have ordered it again. Let's just. Oh, this is heavy. There's a lot of stuff in here. I won't show it because I've already opened this. Now look at this. So the first thing that I ordered is this is wooden comb. It is Kachi Neem comb from At Habit. I ordered 2 of these combs. I don't know where's the second one. I ordered one for my purse in small size, and I ordered one more to keep it at home. So I ordered this. Then I got this pimple patches from Sanfi. I think I need it right now. Say hi to my little friend. In this box, this comes. Pack of 36 pieces. Then the second, I had ordered, so I had ordered this hair growth oil, rosemary hair growth oil from Mamaearth. I had heard a lot of reviews about this product, so I thought let's give it a try. And actually I had ordered this combo, rosemary anti-hair fall shampoo, because I'm having so much of hair loss. So I ordered this rosemary hair growth oil with rosemary anti-hair fall shampoo. But I'm not using this because currently I've been using this shampoo. Anyways, I received this from Mamaearth for free with these 2 products. Yeah. So anyways, currently I have been using this shampoo from Love Beauty and Planet. It is a sulfate free shampoo. I also ordered a hair mask, argan oil and lavender hair mask from the same brand. So yeah, I had ordered the Cetaphil cleansers. I received this for free. Miniatures. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser and the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. They are so cute, right? Then I ordered this eyeliner from K Beauty. I have not opened this yet, and I also got nail paint from K Beauty. Next is this lip balm from Hyphen, and this tastes so bad. I do not like it at all. This is a total disappointment for me. And I think this is the applicator. I know that taste does not matter, but the moment you apply it, taste directly goes into your mouth, and it is so disgusting. Then next is this body lotion from Vaseline. It is very hydrating. This again from Night Habit. This is a hand and nail cream. This moisturizes your hands very nicely. Then this is a kajal from Nykaa. I do not like it. I mean, I don't use kajal. I don't like it. But I thought let's just see it. There's something else. I think there's a sharpener. Yeah. This is the sharpener of it. As I told you that I'm so obsessed with this shade, here's another shade. Here's another lipstick from this same shade which I showed you before. Right now I'm using it. So I'm done with this parcel. right here is from the luxury collection. Let's just see what is in this. I love the packaging of this. I got this, the pack of 3 Laneige lip balm. These lip balms are best, like it is so hydrating. I'll just apply the vanilla one because I'm already using a lip. So I don't want to use this shade because these shades are, I'll just show it to you. This is the purple shade. It is so good. It is gummy bear. Then this is in the shade berry fruits rajas, and then this is the vanilla one. You can eat this. This is so good. Just look at this. I just spoiled this. I got this water bank moisturizer from Laneige free with the purchase of this lip balm. I'll just show you. This smells so good. Wow. Just look at this. So finally, oh my god, this is legit a heavy parcel. Finally, the large parcel of the video. I'm exhausted and very tired. I got this 4 things from the store. This is the luminous body lotion from Bath and Body Works, and this smells so good. This smells really very good. Then I got this 3 products from Clinique. One is the mascara. This is the mascara from Clinique, and this gives a really very good lift lashes. Then next is the concealer. Just look at this. I love the packaging of this. Just look at this. The last thing that I got from this brand is sheer pressed powder. This is oil free and this is the sponge and this is the powder. Next is this big pack of Nua. I just love their packs. This is again half. Few are for light flow, few are for medium, and few are for heavy. You get this in such packaging. There's a pad inside this. After you're done using it, you can dispose it off. I have 50 pads and I ordered a mixture of all. Just look. Yeah, so it is written over here. 18 are for light flow, 20 are for medium, and 12 are for heavy. So yeah. I also got 2 of their panty liners while traveling. Really very helpful. Next, as I told you, I had ordered this a big size comb as well to use it in the house. So this and this broke. The moment I opened it, I used it and it broke. So that's sad, but it's okay. Next is this Mamaearth rice water face wash. I've been using this sunscreen from Plum for a few months and I like it, so I restocked it.
open it.
This is the size, and this is a really good sunscreen. Next is this lip balm from Plum again. I just open it. Wow, the packaging of this is so cute. Just look at this. This is the lip balm. This smells, I don't know what is this flavor. It is a vegan lip balm. हम झाली झालं.
माहिती आहे मला.
Also, it is a vegan lip balm. It is in the shade red velvet love. And just look at this. And the last product of this video is this rice water and niacinamide hybrid sunscreen from Plum. It is a tester. They sent this for free. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.